How to write. Square root in MSWord. Step-by-step tutorial. Launch MSWord on your computer and open a new or existing document where you want to insert the square root symbol. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu bar. This will give you access to various symbols and equations. In the Symbols group, click on Equation. A new equation box will appear where you can type mathematical expressions. Under the Equation tab, which appears when you're in the equation editor, look for the Radical button in the Structures group. Click on it and select the square root symbol. After inserting the square root symbol, click inside the dotted box and type the number or expression you want under the square root. Click outside the equation box to return to normal text. You can now continue typing or formatting your document.